This Coldwell Banker American Home property video is presented by Annette Harper. Super sharp home. Huge great room with wood beamed ceilings. Open floor plan. Large eat-in country kitchen. Main floor has newer LVT flooring. New carpet on upper rooms. Lots of charm in this house with a gleaming wood banister. Enjoy the huge deck overlooking the beautiful yard, trees and privacy. 3-car garage attached to house and a single-car garage detached plus 2 sheds. For more information, review the details below or contact Annette Harper at 785-267-2700.